Top 5 Most Popular Video Editing Software. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 most popular video editing software. These are the programs that are used by professionals and amateurs alike to create amazing videos. Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is the industry standard for video editing software. It's used by professionals all over the world to create movies, TV shows, and commercials. Premiere Pro has a wide range of features, including support for 4K and HDR, color correction, and motion graphics. Final Cut Pro X. Final Cut Pro X is the leading video editing software for Mac users. It's known for its intuitive interface and powerful features. Final Cut Pro X is a great choice for both beginners and professionals. DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is a free and open-source video editing software that has quickly become a popular choice for professionals. It's known for its powerful color correction tools and its ability to handle high-resolution footage. Lightworks. Lightworks is a professional-grade video editing software that's been used to create movies like The King's Speech and The Wolf of Wall Street. Lightworks is known for its efficient workflow and its ability to handle large projects. iMovie. iMovie is the default video editing software for Mac users. It's a great choice for beginners who want to create simple videos. iMovie has a user-friendly interface and a variety of features, including support for 4K and HDR. So, those are the top 5 most popular video editing software. I hope this video has helped you choose the right software for your needs. Thanks for watching.